See, these 4 slides, I would explain how Mr. Sam Pitroda is an ideal inspiration behind our Knowledge Center initiative. The primary objective of our initiative is to bring the focus of knowledge, skills, and wisdom back in our education. Presently, the focus is on marks, grades, and degrees. In Mr. Pitroda, we find an ideal inspiration because he is an embodiment of knowledge, skills, and wisdom. How? Let us see. Mr. Pitroda acquired vast and deep knowledge of his primary domains, which are electrical and electronics engineering, and he developed several useful and innovative applications. He didn't restrict himself to his basic domains, but he studied several interdisciplinary domains of knowledge across science, technology, and humanity. He has a very keen appreciation of the fundamental role of physics and mathematics in all sciences and engineering. And this particular point resonates with me because I too love physics to an extent that I consider it as the most fundamental of all the sciences and technology. Regarding skills, Mr. Pitroda believes in learning by doing, and he didn't restrict himself to the knowledge of the research papers or books or academic knowledge. He believes in learning by doing, and he has acquired many skills. He has 100 worldwide patents to his credit. He is one of the earliest pioneers of handheld computing because of his invention of the electronic diary. He developed several startups across US and Europe with his myriad set of skills. As far as wisdom is concerned, he has always worked in favor of using his knowledge and skills for the betterment of humankind. His vision, based on Gandhian principles, transcends the parochial boundaries of region, religion, and politics. His emphasis on inclusiveness promises to restore the honor and dignity of every human being on this planet. So, in a true sense, Mr. Pitroda is an embodiment of knowledge, skills, and wisdom. And like all other participants, I am too excited to hear him. So thank you for this small brief presentation. I have stopped sharing the screen.